starts off like you normally would. You walk up to the machine, simply unplug it, step into the cab, and just get to work. So as he's getting situated in the cab, I know if you've heard this, and Leander went over some of the aspects and benefits of the machine, but I want to get a little technical with you and talk about the battery of this machine. What we have here is a maintenance-free battery. It's 1,300-pound lithium-ion battery with 480 volts. It will typically run for an 8-hour day. If you're going to run it a little bit harder, or a little bit less, or if you have more idle time, it'll run more. You can charge this thing in 8 hours from a full battery drain back up to full charge. So, Rob, did you start the machine? You couldn't really hear it.
I did. It's running.
Did anyone hear it run? I didn't hear any rumblings of the engine. The engine is gone. You cannot hear it. It's great for noise reduction for utility companies and municipalities that are operating right next to homes and businesses. So why don't you raise the lower arms? I want to see this thing running. So there you go. This thing is operating. Rob is driving to the job site where you may be working right next to a house or a business. Later on in the afternoon, we're going to be digging a trench, acting like we're digging up a main line and hooking up a gas service. So Rob's moving along, thinking about all that money he's saving because it's not going to have to service or maintain a diesel engine anymore. There's a lot of daily maintenance checks you're going to be doing, getting dirty, checking the oil, checking the air filter. You don't have to do that anymore. We have a bin full of parts and fluids on a rough train forklift. You can go over there and take a look at all that stuff. Don't have to worry about that with the 580 EV. So Rob's made his way to the job site. He's going to put that bucket down like you normally would. He's going to spin the seat around into the backhoe position. Get that window open. This machine has excellent communication with the other workers on the job site. Right now, see that idle came back down. You can't even hear the machine running at all. So he's going to get the stabilizers down. Once he gets set up, we'll have him unlatch the boom. And he's going to just start digging like he normally would. So let's say there's an operator in the machine, and he's going to be communicating with someone digging with a hand shovel. They're going to be digging a trench. They're going to say, hey, to the person with the shovel, you know, I got it dug down a little bit. Why don't you go in there with the shovel and dig off the rest? You got excellent communication in terms of the noise reduction. Like I said before, it's great for urban environments working right next to homes. So how about it? That's the 580 EV.
Woo!
Big thanks to Rob for being our operator. Like I said before,